Yoga means union. Union not of the hand to the foot or the leg to the neck, but union of the self to the self for the self. Yoga invites us to unite our minds to our bodies to our hearts, and hearts to the mind. And in this perfect union, you become one. In this yoga tutorial, we will go over Bound Warrior, an asana that usually evolves from extended side angle. This pose adds a bind and an open twist that allows for the expansion in the solar plexus to bring union to your hands, behind your back, and around your leg. This can be a challenging pose that requires a certain level of flexibility to find a bind, but with practice, that union is possible. So grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's get flowing. Find yourself in a comfortable seated position, either in Sukhasana with your legs crossed, or in Hero's Pose sitting on your heels. Begin to bring the hands down to the mat to find tabletop, 4 points. Engage your toes, bring the legs up. Take a big step forward with the right foot right in the center of your hands. Resting the back heel on the ground at a 45-degree angle. Bring your right hand to the left side of your right foot. Extend your left arm up to the sky. Bring your right arm under your leg and the left arm behind your back. Sink the hips low by deeply bending the front knee. The more you engage the shoulder blades to bring them together, the more you will open your chest, giving room to your hands to reach and bind. To keep your practice symmetrical, let's do it on the other side by bringing the hands down to the mat, extending the right leg back, and stepping with the left foot forward. Let's observe this spine from the back. Rest the back heel on the mat at a 45-degree angle and root your foot into the earth as you press the outer edge of the foot. Wrap both arms around your leg to find the bind. Open your torso and look up to the sky. Maintain the shoulders away from the ears to allow a further expansion of the upper body. Remember to keep your hips heavy by deeply bending the front knee at a 90-degree angle. To come out of the pose, bring the hands back down to the mat. Peel the back heel off the ground. Take the left leg back, bring the knees down, and come back to Hero's Pose or Sukhasana with your legs crossed. This is an advanced heart opener that requires practice. Remember to be gentle to yourself and have patience. From my heart to yours, Namaste.